Hey BBQ lovers, today I'm going to show you how to make perfect beer-braised beef short ribs that'll blow your mind. Get ready to elevate your BBQ game. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 6 meaty beef short ribs, about 6 pounds. For the marinade, grab cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, toasted cumin seeds, garlic powder, cracked black pepper, and sunflower oil. For the braise, you'll need sunflower oil, thickly sliced onions, a good hoppy American-style craft lager like Point Amber or Samuel Adams, chicken stock, black treacle, a small bunch of thyme, and burnt oak wood chips if you're feeling fancy. Finally, for the sauce, get ketchup, American mustard, and brown sauce. Alright, let's dive in. First, make the marinade. Mix your spices and salt in a bowl, then stir in the oil to make a paste. Use a knife to make a deep hole in each short rib, then rub the spice mix all over, working it into the meat. Place them on a tray, cover, and chill overnight. Next day, heat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 130 degrees Celsius fan, gas mark 2. Heat some oil in a large pan, toss in the onions, and fry until they get a deep, rich color, about 20 minutes. Don't worry about the color, it adds amazing savory sweetness. Pour in the beer and boil to reduce by half. Add the stock, treacle, thyme, and oak chips if you're using them. Stir well and bring to a simmer. Place your marinated short ribs in the largest roasting tin you have. Pour over the onion and beer braising liquid, cover tightly with foil, and pop it in the oven. Cook for about 5 hours or until the ribs are really tender. Once cooked, remove the ribs and let them rest and cool. Strain the braising liquid into a saucepan. Skim off the fat, then set the saucepan over high heat. Simmer until the sauce becomes rich and glossy. Whisk in the ketchup, mustard, and brown sauce. Now for the BBQ part. Heat your coals until ashen or set your gas BBQ to medium. Cook the ribs until nicely charred and hot all the way through. Baste with the sauce and cook until sticky. If you're indoors, heat the grill, set a wire rack over an oven tray, and place the ribs on top. Baste well with the sauce and grill until you get that charred, sticky crust. Let the ribs rest before serving. Serve with onion rings and slaw for the ultimate BBQ experience. Love this recipe? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Keep those BBQs fired up, and remember, good food is all about good times. Catch you next time.